This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the creator dashboard on Twitch. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Twitch here. I have my browser opened up now and I am logged into Twitch. To access the creator dashboard on Twitch, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is log into twitch.tv. Then you'll go up to the top, the upper right hand corner, up to your little profile icon. You'll click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Creator Dashboard. Click on Creator Dashboard. That'll open up a page that looks something like this. From this page you can do all kinds of things. You could add a short bio. You could upload your profile picture. Off to the left hand side there is a pane. There is an arrow at the top that opens and closes the pane by clicking on it. This gives you a lot of options in this pane here, but that is how to access the creator dashboard on Twitch. Thanks for watching.